So we have two birds on our back porch that have been there since at least 8 or 9 this morning, and I can't get them out. I tried to coax them with cheese and bread, which didn't work. And I tried to let the dogs out and they just attacked the birds. So now I have a broom. I'm gonna try to hit it, see if I can hit the screens from the outside because I'm a little scared. Go away! The door's that way. Gosh. Fly to freedom! Oh, I actually only see one now. Maybe one got out. Oh, please. Here, there's bread and cheese right here. It just has a huge beak. I'm not even kidding you. Okay, bird. Get out of here. Go! That way! Go! No, that way! Towards the door.